Welcome back. Now, as experts confirm a third wave of COVID-19 in India, cases continue to surge. Metro cities like Delhi and Bengaluru have seen a massive jump in the COVID positivity rates. In fact, the national capital reported a COVID positivity rate of 11.8% as compared to 8.3% a day prior, recording over 10,000 COVID cases in a single day.
Meanwhile, Bengaluru witnessed a jump in positivity rate from 2.85% to 6.45% in just one day, with cases doubling in 24 hours. Bengaluru accounts for 85% of cases in Karnataka right now. Over 3,600 new cases were recorded. Mumbai, meanwhile, has recorded over 15,000 new COVID cases.
Shifting our focus to the worst hit city now, Mumbai reported an all-time high of more than 15,000 cases, the highest daily caseload the city has recorded since the start of the pandemic. Now, overall, the state has recorded over 26,000 cases and 144 new Omicron cases have also been reported.
Maharashtra government has now decided to shut all universities and colleges till mid-February. All examinations in these colleges will be conducted online till 15th of February.
कोरोना और ओमिक्रॉन का प्रसार जिस तरीके से हो रहा है, इसके लिए आज हमने 15 फरवरी तक कॉलेजेस बंद करने का निर्णय लिया है। ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम करने का भी निर्णय लिया है और ये मैं अकेले ने निर्णय नहीं किया है। कल हमारे सब जो महाराष्ट्र के जिलाधिकारी है, हमारे कमिश्नर लोग हैं, उनके साथ हमने बातचीत की। उन्होंने फाइनल किया है कि ऐसा करना ही उचित रहेगा और मेरे ख्याल से जो हमारा स्टाफ है, शिक्षक है, शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी है, उनको भी 50% महाविद्यालय में या विद्यापीठ में लाया जाएगा और रोटेशन से उनको काम दिया जाएगा। वैक्सीनेशन का भी ड्राइव लिया जाएगा और बस्ती गृह जो है, हॉस्टल्स जो है, वो भी हम बंद करने का निर्णय किया है। 15 फरवरी के बाद मेरे ख्याल से जो कुछ सिचुएशन क्रिएट होगी, उसके बाद ही बाकी का तय करना उचित रहेगा।
My colleague Disha Shana joins me live on the broadcast. Disha, now 26,000 cases in the state of Maharashtra in 24 hours. This is a massive spike that we are talking about. What are these fresh curbs that the state will actually see? We do know that colleges have been shut as at the moment, but what else can the state see, and especially the city of Mumbai?
Well, certainly the city of Mumbai recorded yesterday an all-time high number as far as COVID-19 cases are concerned. It surpassed the previous two COVID peaks as well. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, like you rightly pointed out, the state recorded over 26,000 plus cases. And keeping in mind that how, in a speedy manner, the cases are doubling in the span of 3 to 4 days, that is really worrisome. And now, of course, the state is planning to put additional curbs besides the Section 144 that they have implemented, from 9 p.m. to next day 5 a.m. in the morning. So as far as the additional curbs are concerned, what we understand from our sources is the fact that definitely we might see the crowded places getting hit first, getting impacted first. So there will be restrictions, of course, in terms of office timings as well. Mostly people will be advised to work from home is what we are being told. As far as the trains are concerned, there might be certain restrictions, of course, that we might see, because trains is also another category and parameter where crowding usually takes place and there is no social distancing that perhaps is possible. As far as restaurants and malls are also concerned, we might see, so augmented restrictions is what we understand could be put in place. So today there's a meeting with the Chief Minister as well of the Health Minister as well as the other members of the State Task Force where, certain of these restrictions, what needs to be put out, what needs to be restricted, for a couple of weeks from now is something which will be decided.